Talk to the patients when they arrive. You have a kind face, Elina. You can make them feel comfortable, just like I tried to do for you. I think about it. I have nothing to do all summer. I need a job, and he seems very nice. I want to spend more time with him. I say, okay, I will try, but if I scream, you cannot fire me. He laughs and says, deal. Come tomorrow morning at 9. Part 4. A New Beginning. The next day, I go to his new clinic. It is small, but very clean and modern. The walls are a soft white color. There are green plants everywhere. It does not smell like a typical hospital. It feels warm and friendly. Dr. Ryan is there, waiting. He says, welcome, Elina. This is your desk. I start to work. At first, I am very nervous. I am afraid I will break a machine or say the wrong thing. But Dr. Ryan is very patient. He is the best teacher. He shows me how to use the computer system. He shows me how to greet the people. Days pass into weeks. I learn many things. I learn that being a doctor is not about hurting people. It is about helping them. I answer the phones with a smile. I talk to the patients. I see many people who are just as scared as I was. Because I know how they feel, I can help them. One day, a small child comes in. His name is Leo. He is only 5 years old. He is crying loudly. He is hiding behind his mother's legs. He is scared, just like me. I kneel down and look at him. I tell him, do not worry, Leo. Dr. Ryan is very kind. He helped me too. I was very, very scared, but he made me feel safe. He even has a special sticker for brave boys. The child stops crying a little. He looks at me with big eyes. Dr. Ryan is standing in the doorway and hears me. He doesn't say anything, but he smiles at me. It is a special smile. His smile makes my heart beat fast, not from fear, but from something else. We work together every day. The clinic becomes a happy place. Sometimes, when the morning is quiet, we have lunch together in the small break room. We talk about many things. He tells me about his dreams of opening a free clinic for people who cannot afford care. I tell him about my college studies in literature. I tell him about my family and my crazy cat. We laugh a lot. One day, it rains heavily. The sky is dark gray, and the water pours down the windows. The clinic has no patients because of the storm. We sit in the lobby and watch the rain. He says, suddenly, I really like working with you, Elina. You have changed the energy of this office. It feels like a home now. I say, I like working here too. I'm not even scared of the dentist's chair anymore. My face feels warm as I look at him. Part 5. Moments of Courage. Another day, an emergency comes in. It is a Friday afternoon. An old woman named Mrs. Gable falls on the sidewalk outside. She hurts her mouth badly. There is blood on her lip, and she is in pain. I feel my old fear return for a second when I see the blood. My stomach turns. But Dr. Ryan stays calm. His calmness gives me strength. He says, Elina, I need you. Bring me the clean cloth and the antiseptic fast. I don't stop to think. I run to the cabinet and bring the supplies. My hands shake, but I try to stay focused. I hold Mrs. Gable's hand while Dr. Ryan cleans the wound. I tell her stories to distract her. Dr. Ryan works quickly and skillfully. He helps the woman, and soon she is smiling and thanking us. After she leaves, Dr. Ryan looks at me. He looks proud. He says, You did very well today, Elina. You didn't run away. Thank you for being my partner. I say, I was so scared, but I wanted to help you. He says, that is what courage is, Elina. Being scared, but doing it anyway. You are becoming very brave. His words make me feel happy. Very, very happy. I realize that I am not just working for a paycheck. I am working because I want to be near him. Weeks pass, and the seasons begin to change. I notice something strange happening inside me. When Dr. Ryan is near me, my heart beats fast. When he smiles at a patient, I feel a glow of pride. When he talks about his day, I want to listen forever. I ask myself, am I falling in love? Then I tell myself, no, no, that cannot be. He is a successful doctor. He is my boss. I am just a student who used to scream at him. This is just work. But my feelings grow stronger every day. I think about him when I wake up. I think about him before I go to sleep. One evening, we close the clinic late. The sun is setting, painting the sky in pink and orange. We walk outside together to the parking lot. The air is cool. He stops by his car and says, Elina, can I ask you something? He looks nervous. This is the first time I have seen him look nervous. I say, yes, of course, Ryan. He asks, do you feel something special when we are together, or am I just imagining it? My heart stops. Time seems to freeze. Does he feel the same way? I am terrified of rejection. I say, I do not know. I am too scared to say the truth. He looks down at his shoes. He looks sad. He says, I understand. I shouldn't have asked. We walk in silence to my car. I want to scream, I love you, but the words are stuck in my throat. I am still a coward in some ways. Part 6. The birthday surprise. More days pass. The atmosphere in the clinic is different. It is a bit quiet. I see Dr. Ryan looking at me sometimes when he thinks I am not watching. He looks like he wants to say something, but he doesn't. I do not say anything either. We are both scared of losing the friendship we have built. Then my birthday comes. It is a Thursday in October. I do not tell anyone at the clinic because I don't want to make a big deal of it. I think it will just be a normal day of filing and phone calls. I go to work as usual. I unlock the front door and walk into the lobby. I cannot believe my eyes. There are colorful balloons everywhere, red, blue, and gold. There is a big chocolate cake on the table with Happy Birthday, Elina, written in white icing. There are flowers, my favorite yellow roses. Dr. Ryan stands there in his white coat, holding a small gift. He has a big, beautiful smile. He says, Happy birthday, Elina. I am shocked. I ask, how did you know? I didn't tell you. Tears come to my eyes. I am so touched that he remembered. He says, I saw your birth date in your employee file. I wanted to make this day special for you. You do so much for me and this clinic. No one ever does this for me, so I wanted to do it for you. I start to cry. These are happy tears. He comes near me, looking worried. He asks, why are you crying? Did I do something wrong? I wipe my eyes and say, no, Ryan, I'm just very happy. Thank you so much. This is the nicest thing anyone has ever done for me. He looks at me intensely. The room is very quiet. He says, Elina, I need to tell you something. I cannot hide it anymore. I tried to stay professional, but I can't. He takes my hand. His hand is warm and steady. He says, from the day you screamed in my clinic, I could not stop thinking about you. You are so honest and full of life. You make me laugh. You make me happy just by walking into the room. Every day with you is special. I know this is sudden, but I love you, Elina. I really love you. I look at him, the fear I felt for so many years, fear of doctors, fear of pain, fear of the future, it all disappears. Tears fall from my eyes, but I am smiling wider than I ever have. I say, I love you too, Ryan. I was too scared to say it, because I didn't think a man like you could love a girl like me, but I love you so much. He reaches out and brushes a tear from my cheek. He looks at me slowly. He leans in and kisses me. It is my first real kiss. It tastes like joy and chocolate cake. From that day, everything changes. We are not just coworkers anymore. We are a team. We are in love. We still work together in the clinic, but now we hold hands during our breaks. We laugh together at the memory of my loud scream. We dream together about our future. 1 year later, the clinic looks different. Ryan and I stand together at the front. We're in the same clinic where we met, but today is a very special day. Today, the clinic is closed for patients. Instead, it is full of white flowers and ribbons. Our families are here. My mother is crying with happiness. Our friends are here. I am wearing a beautiful white dress. Ryan is wearing a black suit. He looks so handsome. The official stands in front of us. He asks, "Do you, Elina Rivers, take Ryan Mitchell as your husband?" I look at the man who once pulled my tooth and ended up stealing my heart. I say, "I do." My voice is clear and strong. No screaming today. The official asks, "Do you, Ryan Mitchell, take Elina Rivers as your wife?" Ryan says, "I do." His eyes shine with tears of joy. The official says, "You may kiss your bride." Ryan kisses me and the room explodes with sound. Everyone claps. Everyone cheers. My mother hugs us both. I am the happiest girl in the world. It is funny how life works. A terrible toothache brought me the love of my life. My biggest fear, doctors, gave me my greatest joy. If I had never had that pain, I would never have met Ryan. Life is strange. Life is unpredictable. Life is beautiful. And I am grateful for every moment, even the painful ones. This is my story, a story of fear, courage, and love. Conclusion and practice. Now it's your turn to practice. Go back to the start of this story on Slow English Stories and repeat each sentence after me. This is how the shadowing technique works. It helps your mouth get used to the sounds of English. It helps your brain understand the rhythm of the language. Keep practicing every day, even for a few minutes. If you do this, it will make your English sound clear, natural, and confident. Remember, small steps every day lead to big results. Thank you for watching Slow English Stories. See you in the next video.